Now it's time for Where in the World is Bonnie with West Palm Beach's own Bonnie Roseman. Bonnie's buzzing all around the country to bring you the most exciting sights, sounds, and soirees from America's best summer vacation destinations. Now here's Bonnie.
Aspen, Colorado, Rocky Mountain High, one of the best, most sophisticated towns in the Rocky Mountains of Colorado. Aspen Music Festival is one of the best in the country, and they have a bluegrass concert on top of Aspen Mountain every Sunday. A farmer's market that's not to be beat, that takes over half of downtown with the most fabulous local produce and crafts. They have hiking and biking trails all over the area and some of the most sophisticated shopping and restaurants in the country. It's not unusual to bump into a celebrity from time to time, Kevin Costner or Goldie Hawn, just strolling around town. They have a fantastic area of Victorian homes and do a Victorian home West End walking tour in the end of August. If you drive up to Independence Pass, you'll see the Continental Divide and even get a chance to see an old abandoned silver mining town. So whether you're strolling in downtown Aspen or you're strolling in West Palm Beach, Florida, it's all about style. And with the fall season approaching, I can help you with your wardrobe needs. Just contact me, Bonnie Roseman, at bonnieroseman.com or contact me at 917-209-0516. Feel good, but look even better.